Tech titans are shaking hands, but look closer because they are playing completely different games here. Intel secures a critical operational lifeline. Google Cloud backs the ultimate narrative victory. So let's talk Intel here. They need speed, they need survival. Making modern silicon is brutal because you have to run millions of design simulations. We call it EDA. The on-prem hardware bottlenecks are real. So Intel is throwing those massive workloads onto Google Cloud, specifically the C4 and N4 compute instances. They skip the wait for the internal servers. They shave months of chip development. Time is money, and speed, of course, is survival. Intel is also trimming the fat. They, in fact, are dumping Gemini AI agents into their back office. HR, marketing, supply chain. They essentially want to run lean. They have to. That massive foundry build-out isn't really cheap. Now, flip the board here. Look at Google. This is a massive flex. AWS and Azure are definitely watching. Google just backed one of the most demanding hardware companies on earth to prove a point. They, in fact, are proving Agentic AI is real. It's not just a fancy chatbot writing your emails. It is handling complex multi-step engineering pipelines. Google, in fact, is screaming to every manufacturing giant right now, our cloud handles heavy industry. So how exactly does this play out? Expect two distinct phases here. Phase one, the next 12 months. Quick wins. Intel bursts overflow simulations to the cloud during peak times. R&D speeds up instantly. Back office teams use Gemini to summarize meetings and draft docs. You get a fast, measurable productivity bump. Phase two, 1 to 3 years out, the agentic shift. Now this gets wild here because the AI stops helping and starts doing. Specialized line of business agents take the wheel. Supply chain breaks. An AI agent spots it, queries the database for new suppliers, drafts the execution plan, and boom, human just hits approve. Software engineers, in fact, hand over routine code testing to the machine. Now here is the front page take on this, viewers. There is always going to be friction. There's two big hurdles here. First, IP paranoia. Semiconductor blueprints are the crown jewels. You do not just hand the nuclear codes to the public cloud. Google is secure, but Intel will be sweating over exactly what goes off premises. Second, of course, the humans. Cultural adoption is tough. You are asking veteran engineers to trust an AI with their workflows. They have to completely let go of legacy processes. Bottom line, for everybody watching the tech space, this is the new meta. If these Gemini agents perform as promised, Intel gets deeply locked into the Google ecosystem. Google gets a mega client for life. And Intel gets the exact nitro boost it needs for its chip roadmap. Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.